The 2016 Jeep Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas, and is priced below $50,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, power passenger seat, backup camera, remote engine start, keyless entry, power liftgate, four-wheel drive, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, driver airbag. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.